boys and girls, look at this cutie. This baby rabbit is 3 weeks old. Look at him or her. Hi, sweetheart. Look at that. Oh, now he's trying to move. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Can you say hi? I'm going to take you behind the barn door to meet this newborn bunny's mother and brothers and sisters. Boys and girls, this is a brother or a sister of the little black one. Look at him or her. She's a little chunkier, weighs a little bit more than the black one. Hi, sweet. You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Hi, you want to say hi to boys and girls? Love you. Love you so much. And I bet the boys and girls love you too, huh? They love this little guy. Yeah, so what a cutie.
Let's go wash your hands. Well, that one's really big compared to the rock.
Yeah.
Let's wash your hands. Get them in there with their net.
Where's Mommy coming out? And there's another one. Oh my goodness, 5 little baby bunnies.
Do you want to hold the black one?
Looking for the baby there.
Mama sniffing for her baby.
She knows you have her baby. So cute.
Yeah. You want to pet Mama?
Well, I'm afraid we're a little bit late for that, but they were doing it before.
Oh, Mama's a big one.
Like I said, I don't
She's
see
a big one, huh? Mama? Oh,
but there are
yeah.
many.
Love you so much.